Hi friends, today we are looking at a new dash camera, you know, which I have bought from Content Faith. Okay, uh, based on the recent boom in adoption of car dash cameras and you know and multiple requests I received from my friends. Okay, I was exploring for a best camera, and nowadays it has become a very standard accessory for the new gen cars. Okay, so based on the multiple requests, I was looking for one of the dash camera which should have the following criteria. One, it should be pocket friendly. Second, it should have very good video resolution, and third, a best parking surveillance option, and which can give a 360-degree coverage of your car at any point of time, which is 3 channel covering. So with all these criteria, when I was exploring, I found one of the camera. Though I really don't know the brand name, maybe once I open the box, I will be able to see this brand. Okay, I found this based on the information shared on the website. I found it very interesting and meeting all the criterias. Though it doesn't have the most latest Starvis IMX 600 plus Starvis 2 sensor, but it has a decent IMX 335 sensor for both front and rear. The cabin camera do not have a Starvis sensor, but that's okay. For cabin, we really don't need to capture any vehicle passing with a high speed. It is a stable video recording what we need from the cabin. Okay, with that, I'll continue to open this package and we'll see what is there in the box. Okay, as you see, I have unpacked it. That was a very secure and safe packing. I see on the box it is labeled as 4K Ultra HD driving recorder, and I have also got something like a hardwiring kit, maybe a praying tool, and the fuse you can see, approximately, I have 8 fuse, okay, which are shared with a different size, and sorry, it's a small area, and the fuse remover and a lot of fuse here with a different size. Okay, and I have a hardware kit as well. Basically on this kit it was mentioned that it is auto cut off once it senses the battery draining. So nobody should be worried of battery draining with hardwire connection. And this specific thing has some manual, as this is a bundled item but not with camera. Okay, they have some instructions provided here for the users who prefer to install on their own instead of a mechanic. So now let's go and see what we have in this box, the actual, the main dash camera. Okay. So, so this is a box basically. I don't know how to open this. Here we have the main camera. Oh, this is very lightweight. I don't know how it works, but it's very, very lightweight. Okay, so this is the front camera with 170-degree view, wide angle, and this is cabin camera with I believe 140-degree wide angle, and we can adjust this, okay, as per requirement. I believe we can also move this. Yeah, we can adjust the front camera as well. I believe it has some speakers and mic, and this is a power button. Yeah, here is the mic. Okay, and this is SD card slot, and you can see the C type connector and also the USB connectors. Yeah. Okay, let's see what else we have in the box. Let me keep this here. There is a big box. Yeah, this way to open. What we have a rear camera here. Okay, with the 3M sticker. This is also very lightweight. Okay, and I have a GPS recorder. I see a GPS recorder here. Sorry, this is GPS tracker. Okay, this is a GPS tracker which can record your locations live along with the video. Okay, what else I see here? Okay, and this is another connector, okay, which runs basically from camera. Okay, this is camera to rear camera, and this is for the secret charger port, I believe. Yep. And I have, as usual, a manual, okay, which you can go through. Okay, in the next video we can see the performance quality. Okay, is it really a 4K Ultra HD camera, and do we really have all those features which I saw on the website, like motion sensor parking, or the 3-channel recording with high definition video, and the GPS tracking. All those things we are going to see in the next video once I install this camera. Thank you. Okay, so I think I missed to share some of the specification details. The model says M700A, and the processor is Novatec 96610. And you can see the sensors, front and rear sensors are Sony IMX335, and the cabin sensor is Galaxy Core GC2053. And there are the video recording for front is 2.5K resolution at 30 frames per second and 4K at 24 frames per second, and the rear one is 2.5K at 30 frames. And meanwhile the cabin camera goes full HD at 30 frames per second, and it also has full HD at 24 frames per second. Then the field of view, as you can see here, okay, they have mentioned very clearly. Those are some numbers with some calculations, but as per my observation on the website, the front one goes with 170-degree wide angle, the rear one goes with 150, and the cabin is 140. Well, so the video is recorded in MP4 format. Okay, it has a 2-inch IPS display, the Wi-Fi connectivity, and the app used to access or connect with the camera, RoadCam app. It supports up to 256 GB micro SD card. Auto turn on and off is supported. 3M brackets are provided to hold the cameras. And it has 3 mAh capacitor. it can support the minimum 10 minus 10 degree to maximum of 60 degrees centigrade of heat. Okay, the dimension as I showed, it's pretty small. It easily comes in your palm, and it's very lightweight, and there are some languages what they are supporting, and it also speaks about the features like camera resolutions, GPS, Wi-Fi and parking monitor. It has HDR and WDR, screensavers, date stamp, G sensor, loop recording, time lapse recording, auto start recording, audio video recording, key sound, etc. So it has car charger input, specifications mentioned. It comes with 1 year warranty.